If superheroes existed in real life, they wouldn't wear capes. They wouldn't fly through the skies or shoot lasers from their eyes. They'd crawl, slither, swim, and sometimes explode. That's right, nature has its own league of extraordinary beings, armed with powers so bizarre they make comic book heroes look ordinary. From creatures that punch faster than bullets to microscopic survivors of outer space, today we're counting down 5 animals with real-life superpowers that prove fiction has nothing on the wild. Let's start with a creature that looks like a psychedelic lobster, but don't let the colors fool you. This is the Mantis shrimp, and it's one of the most dangerous boxers on the planet. Its weapon of choice? A club-like limb it uses to deliver a punch at over 50 miles per hour. That's faster than a bullet fired from a handgun. This little guy can shatter crab shells, crack aquarium glass, and turn prey into pulp in the blink of an eye. But wait, it gets wilder. The Mantis shrimp sees the world in a way humans can't even comprehend. While we have 3 types of color receptors, it has 16. It can detect ultraviolet, infrared, and even polarized light, something we can't naturally see. If this was a superhero, think the Flash meets Superman, with the eyes of a high-end military drone. It's smaller than a grain of sand, and basically unkillable. Introducing the Tardigrade, aka the water bear. This microscopic survivor can live through boiling heat, freezing cold, crushing pressure, radiation, and even the vacuum of space. NASA literally exposed them to the conditions of outer space and they just shrugged it off. Pause. Slower tone. How? When threatened, the tardigrade goes into a state called cryptobiosis. It curls into a dry, almost glass-like ball, suspending all biological activity. No heartbeat, no brainwaves, no metabolism. It's not dead, it's paused, sometimes for decades. Then it just wakes up and keeps going. If anyone survives the apocalypse, it won't be cockroaches. It'll be the tardigrade, our microscopic, time-freezing superhero. Imagine a creature that can light up a bulb, or stun a predator to death. Meet the electric eel, the original shock jock of the animal kingdom. This South American fish isn't actually an eel, but a knife fish, and it can generate up to 860 volts of electric current. That's enough voltage to knock a human unconscious. In fact, early explorers documented stories of horses being stunned by these guys when crossing rivers. But it's not just about attack. Electric eels use their electricity for navigation. In muddy waters with poor visibility, they create low-voltage pulses to map their surroundings like biological radar. It's like if Thor, Daredevil, and Aquaman were mashed into one slimy, shocking powerhouse. Picture this, you're a small bug, and a predator comes your way. Most bugs run, but not the Bombardier beetle. Instead, it turns its rear end toward the threat and fires a boiling hot chemical spray. That's right, this beetle has a built-in flamethrower. 2 chemicals are stored in separate chambers in its body. When mixed, they create an explosive reaction that reaches 100 degrees Celsius, or 212 degrees Fahrenheit. The result? A superheated, toxic spray that deters attackers instantly. You'd think this kind of weaponry belongs on a battlefield, but no, it's in a bug that fits on your fingertip. Move over, Iron Man. Stealth, intelligence, transformation. The octopus is nature's ultimate shapeshifter. This soft-bodied marvel can mimic the exact color and texture of its surroundings instantly. It can blend into coral reefs, rock beds, or even fake seaweed movement. And if camouflage doesn't work, it escapes through holes the size of a coin. Why? Because octopuses have no bones. Their entire body is flexible and fluid, and here's the twist. They're smart. Some octopuses solve puzzles, open jars from the inside, and even recognize human faces. They've been observed escaping aquariums and navigating mazes. They're not just hiding, they're planning. If you crossed Mystique, Houdini, and Professor X, you'd get the octopus. So what did we learn today? Nature doesn't need fiction to be fantastic. It already gave us super strength, teleportation, invisibility, lightning powers, and even immortality. And the best part? These creatures are real. living proof that Mother Nature is the ultimate comic book author. Which animal blew your mind the most? Drop your pick in the comments. And if you want more wild superpowers from the animal kingdom, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for the next episode of If Animals Were Superheroes.